UAVS stock analysis next week and onward in this 1 minute video. I'm telling you whether AG Eagle stock is a buy or not for me, or AG Eagle Aerial System stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. UAVC stock, just a bullish market, man. Like I do see like a 42% increase in price, which is phenomenal. And it's not like I was expecting anything different. Like it was expected. For example, this video was made 27th of November. Seems like. I really doubt it. I think it was like even earlier, bro. At the time, I was sitting at 612.
Kind of late on this, and
then after that, 612. You know, the price just delivered, which was the 29th of November today. But yeah, here's the proof of that. And if you ask me, like, Mr. Sickle, what's next? I'll say this is a very bullish market for me. Obviously, not buying at the top. I want to see retracements and everything. But since it delivered, you know, it's just a waiting game right now. So keep an eye. I'll keep an eye. If you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link below, and I'll see you in the next one.